Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. We want to evaluate root negative I. So we want to find out what the value of root negative I it's going to be. But just before we proceed, go ahead to subscribe to our channel and then like the video and turn on the notification icon. Then of course we're going to proceed right from there. Okay, so let us continue. This is root negative I. So we can actually write this as root negative 2I divided by 2. I've done nothing, so 2 divided by 2 is actually 1, okay, and then it returns us to this. Then you can actually write this stuff right here as root negative 2I, okay, and of course divided by root 2, okay, so that of course you can factorize this 1 over root 2 out here. So we have 1 over root 2 into root negative 2I, okay. Then this is 1 over root 2, and then we can write this. I can just go ahead to add 1. This is 1 minus 2I, and then I can also remove this 1 I've added, okay. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and then I'm back to root negative 2I, and then moving on, this is 1 over root 2, okay, into, and then we can also go ahead to write this stuff right here. So we write 1 as 1 squared, still the same, minus 2I, we still write it as 2I multiplied by 1, okay, and then we can write this negative 1 here as I. Of course, you remember that root negative 1 is equal to I, okay, so that if you now want to find out the value of negative 1, you can go ahead to take the square of both sides, so that this cancels this, and then negative 1 now becomes I squared. So we're going to be replacing this negative 1 here with I squared, okay. So this is plus I squared, okay. So this is fine. Let me put this too, and then moving on, what I'm going to be having next is 1 over root 2, and then this expression we have here is similar to a squared minus 2ab, and then of course plus b squared, where in this case our a here is equal to 1 and then b is equal to I, okay. But then of course this expression can be written as a minus b squared, okay. So if our a is equal to 1 and then b is equal to I, which means I can write all of this stuff inside the square root as 1 minus I, okay, all squared. So this is what we have. So let me still put it in brackets, okay. So moving on, this is equal to 1 over root 2. Can actually use this to cancel this, and because of the square root we just introduced, can go ahead to put a plus or minus, okay, into 1 minus root I, okay. So that what we're going to be having is plus or minus 1 over root 2 multiplied by this, okay. So that if I do that right away, what are we having? 1 minus root I, and then we can go ahead to rationalize, so that we remove this root 2 at the denominator. And if we do that, we can just go ahead to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 2, so that we're going to be having that this is plus or minus root 2, okay, root 2 into, this is 1 minus I, and all divided by root 2 times root 2 will give us root 4, and then root 4 is same as 2, and this is actually going to be the value of the expression we are solving, which is root I. So let me have a thought in the comment section. And then of course, if you have any question, do drop it there and I will also get back to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video and then subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.